Hey guys, welcome to today's video where I'll be taking you on a hotel and room tour of the Disney's Beach Club DVC 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa. That was a mouthful. We just came back from a 10-day trip and we stayed at 4 different DVC resorts, so definitely stay tuned to check them all out because they are all so different but so amazing. This one is a classic. We've been staying here for years and I think it's our home base if I'm not mistaken. If you've never stayed, I definitely recommend it because you're very centered in the boardwalk area, so you're in between Epcot and Hollywood Studios at walking distance, as well as other different resorts. So I'm going to walk you through now on our way to the room. You'll enjoy the room tour and then I'll take you around the resort. So I didn't show you guys in the video, but this table with the 2 chairs I thought were randomly placed, but they look pretty cool. It is actually a Murphy bed, so if you move the 2 chairs, the bed comes down, you can fit 1 person there. Then you have the pull-out couch where you can fit 1 to 2 people, and then the queen bed that fits 1 to 2 people. So you can fit a lot of people in this room. While the kitchen is insanely stocked as it is because Disney provides you with so much, I did want to note that all the snacks that you're seeing here, we bought them and brought them here, so they are not included with your room. Sorry. Something I really like about the resort is that the DVC villas are literally next to the actual hotel rooms, so you're not too far away from the lobby where the pool is. Beaches and Cream is. There's also the Martha's Vineyard Lounge, and there's also Cape May, which is a restaurant. It's one of our favorite for breakfast and dinner, so I definitely recommend checking it out. And they have a cute little store that's open very early and very late where you can find snacks, breakfast, coffee, everything. And like you can see, everything is beach themed. And when you come in here, the amazing smell that you have, I cannot even begin to describe. In my opinion, this is one of the best pools that Disney has on property. I must note that you have to be a guest here to enjoy it, so you can't get like a day pass or come visiting your family. You have to stay here, so it's very VIP and you need to get like a wristband for it. This is the kiddie pool, which I used to be here all the time with my sister when she was little. There's a sand over there. Everything is sand based, so it's also nice when you touch the floor because it's like very sandy. You can kind of see it here. And I went straight to the lazy river. It's not super long, so we did like 5 loops, but it was still super relaxing. I'm not sure why, but this is one of my favorite rooms, the solarium. This is next to the shop that I was showing you previously, and it's just so relaxing. They always have quaint music playing, and it's really cold in here. They have those pictures and paintings to the left where they have Hidden Mickey, so you can play around with that for a little bit. And they also have a TV that's always playing Disney movies, so I don't know, it's always really relaxing. And if you exit out that door, it takes you over to the entrance of the DVC villas. I took you around last time, so I'm taking you officially through the entrance, and as you can see, it's literally right next to the lobby. So this is one of my favorite things about the resort too. As I was saying, one of the perks of being here is that you're staying right in the middle of the boardwalk, which is everything that is across from us. It includes the Boardwalk Resort. They have a lot of other places to eat. They open up new restaurants constantly. They have these cute little boats that you can use to move around the boardwalk. It also takes you to the Swan and Dolphin, which is where we were walking right now. As I said, walking distance. We got there maybe less than 10 minutes because we were honestly just enjoying the view and we weren't in a rush. And as I said, you can also take these boats to go to Epcot and Hollywood Studios. So it's a great place to stay. I definitely recommend. I'm just going to walk you guys around here and show you a little bit about our walk to the Swan and Dolphin, which has great breakfast there as well. You just have so many options. There's so much to do. So honestly, that's why we always come back to the beach club, because it's so nice, middle of the action, and it's so much fun. So I wanted to thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. As I said, I have more videos coming up of the other room tours. In order, we did stay at the Animal Kingdom Lodge, then we went to the cabins at the Wilderness Lodge Resort, and finally the bungalows at the Polynesian. So those all will be coming up very soon, and I hope you guys stick around to see how amazing these other ones are, and you guys get to experience them for yourself very soon. As I said, thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!